Welcome to the Caliper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix cursor loading blinking issue in Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. So, at first, what you have to do is just go ahead and right click on your start button, then just click on run. In here, you need to type msconfig, msconfig, and then click on OK. After that, this system configuration window will come up. Here, in startup section, in the general tab, you'll find three settings. One is normal startup, load all devices and drivers and services. And another one is diagnostics startup. This will load basic drivers and services only. And the last option is selective startup. This is a customizable startup. You can choose what you want to start up with your system. Now in here, make sure your startup selection is set to normal startup. Then just click on apply and click on OK. After that, just go ahead and restart your PC, and I hope your problem will be fixed. And that is how to fix cursor loading blinking circle issue in Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.